Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is Anchal Mahajan and today I'm gonna show you this gorgeous looking makeup. You can see my eye makeup and today I'm gonna show you a very easy technique to do this makeup. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to it and don't forget to turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out any kind of video. So please watch this video till the end, and if you like my makeup, so please tell me in the comment sections and please like this video and share it. So let's get started.
So first of all, I have done my CTM, that is cleansing, toning and moisturizer, and after that I am applying my base. So here I am using Kryolan Supra FS29, that is my skin tone. And first of all, I am applying it on my eyes and then on my cheeks and then on nose, your chin and your forehead. You have to apply at least amount as you can because we always don't want our face to be cakey, and I know guys you don't like to use too much foundation, so that's why I am using very least amount. So after that you have to buy a beauty blender and you have to dip it in the water for about 15 minutes, for about 10 or 15 minutes until it gets really doubles of its original size. And then you have to blend your foundation in a dab motion. You can see how I'm doing it. You have to do it similarly. You can see the difference in both sides of my face, that one side is looking very cleaner and the other side without foundation is looking a little bit dull. So do it very slowly. Here I have fast forward my video so you can see that I'm applying it very fast, but that's not the reality. So please do it very slowly because the base is the most important thing, and if you don't look out over your base then your whole makeup could be spoiled. So here my base is done. Now I'm applying compact, that is face powder, with a beauty blender. Applying face powder after your base is very necessary because the base can't be set without your face powder. And if you have any sweat and any other kind of moistures on your face powder could be served as a best for saving your base. And then I move on to my eyebrows. Here I am using kajal brush and I have only applied a little bit amount of kajal on it, not too much, because I don't want my eyebrows to look fake. You have to do it very carefully because your eyebrows are the main part of your face, and if they get spoiled your makeup will surely get spoiled. After that I have applied mask tape. So first you have to apply your mask tape on your hand so you can get rid of its excess glue, and only then you have to apply it on your face. After that I am applying brown eyeshadow for my cut crease. Here I am using a round brush and I have took a light brown color. You have to apply it very gently and you have to mix it very well. So you can see the mask tape serves as a really good protector for your base. Your eyeshadow won't get spoiled due to excess of eyeshadow. And after that I am using dark brown shade for my outer corner. I'm only applying brown shade on my outer corner because dark colors won't look good on your inner corner. After that, I'm applying a red color. And make sure your red color is really blended with the brown color that you have applied in your corner. I'm applying my red color only on my eyeball area, not my inner corner, because I have something interesting color for my inner corners. Just blend it with the brown color. It will look really good, guys. Just try it once. So after that, I am using my base and I'm making a cut crease with the help of a brush. You can also use a small brush if you are having problem in using these types of brush. And don't apply too much of foundation or concealer because that's not gonna be set after you apply it. And after applying base on your eyes, you have to blend it with the beauty blender and you have to be very careful. And after that, I am applying golden glitter, and it's a really glamorous glitter. It's a dusky glitter that I am applying with the help of makeup fixer. I just took a little bit of makeup fixture on my brush and then I dipped that in my dusky eyes glitters, and that's how I applied. Dusky glitters are really good because they provide us very glamorous makeup look. And then I have took red glitter from my palette. I'm just taking red glitter to blend it with my golden glitter so that my makeup looks more natural and blended. You can also skip the red glitter if you don't have, but just make sure that your red and golden glitter is a little bit mixed, not like they shouldn't look like artificial colors like we have just applied them. They should look like they are the way they are. So you can see how glamorous my eyeshadow is looking. After that, I am highlighting my brows. I am using white highlighter for my eyebrows, and I am using a very small brush from my brush kit. Highlighting your brows is very important because that's gonna give your makeup a really good look. And even if you don't apply any eyeshadow and you apply any nude eyeshadow, then still you have to highlight your brows. And don't forget to highlight your inner corner, guys. It provides a really glamorous look for your eyeshadows. You can see the difference, guys. And after that, you have to remove your mask tape. As I already told you guys, like if you remove the excess of glue, you won't feel any pain or any scratches in removing it. And then you have to apply your eyeliner. Here I'm applying liquid eyeliner. You can also apply gel eyeliner if you don't know or if you are having any problem in applying liquid eyeliner. And I'm also gonna make a small wing because I really like wings, guys. So after my eyeliner, I'm gonna move on to my lower lid. For the lower eyelid, I'm using white color because white kajal makes your eyes look bigger, and also wing eyeliner makes your eyes look bigger. And if you want to make your eyes look more bigger, then you should stretch your hair from the side base and tight. And then you have to apply kajal. Here I am applying kajal only on my outer corner because I only like it this way. And I'm also gonna merge it with my wing. So here I'm applying my mascara. So like you have to apply your mascara at the end of your eye makeup because that's gonna give a good texture to your lashes. Here I'm applying it first, but after that I'm gonna apply it again. So here comes my white eyeshadow. I'm not using any white kajal, guys. I'm using eyeshadow, and yes, you can use your eyeshadow as a kajal also. But be careful, guys. You don't have to apply it really close to your eyes and don't go much deeper in your waterline. So after that I am applying mascara on my lower lashes. As you can see, my lashes are already very long, so I am not applying any fake lashes. After that I am doing my contouring. I am doing very light contouring because I don't like too much dark, and it's a normal makeup look, not so much fancy, so that's why I'm applying only a little bit bronze. And then you have to blend it with a beauty blender. So you can see the difference in my face before and after contouring. After that I'm applying blusher. I love blusher, guys, and I'm also gonna apply it on my chin because it looks super cute. And I'm using highlighter. Highlighter is my favorite makeup essential that you can guess, guys, because it makes your makeup looks very shiny and gorgeous, and it makes you look super fashionable. I'm applying it with a fan brush. You can also apply it with your finger. And especially on nose, I like to use my finger rather than my fan brush. After that, I'm outlining my lips. I'm using the same outliner as the color of my lipstick. And finally, guys, I'm applying my lipstick. I'm using a light red color. So our lipstick makes our look complete. So at last but not the least, I'm applying makeup fixer. So you can see my makeup, guys, and tell me in the comment sections how I'm looking. And if you really like my makeup, please do like this video and don't forget to share my channel.
So guys, that's all for this video. If you like my video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out any kind of video. So see you in the next video guys. Goodbye.